Huh?
And ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to be the first to welcome you to Montego Bay, Jamaica. And the local time here is 1:06 p.m.
Guys, in case you didn't know, but all the big African and Israeli YouTubers touched down in Jamaica. We're talking about the Mwango, African Tigress, Miss Judy, Wademaya, Coco Girl, and Coco Boy. Man, Jamaica is really trending at this point.
Shadow coming out sometime. As long as
Kimani, look! Oh, I thought you were counting down. So you will be in our picture.
Alright. Alright, Monica, I'm recording.
I died 4 times! Alright, 1, 2. One, 2, 3. 1.
Look how we started.
Yeah, look how we started. It started with you coming at us. We jumped twice.
Yes, if I jump right down, walking from down there.
See, it's right there.
Jump by myself.
No, no,
Jump
no.
right there.
No, he's right there. He's gonna jump with you.
Yes. Just go. You think it too much. Just do it.
Right there.
Too much. Yes.
Look at her.
There we go.
Woo!
All right, there we go. The wig stayed on.
The wig stayed on.
Yes.
What'd you say? 1, 2.
There we go.
Woo!
All right, there we go.
1, 2. The
at the white sand, guys. Crystal
We should
clear
live on the
water.
beach and enjoy ourselves.
Crystal clear water. Man, how can you resist this? Now I understand why they put it there.
70s or
So
21.
you don't want it?
No.
I'm saying give me $2,000 for all of them. 7 of them.
No, buy some of the fish. Listen, no, like it.
So-
Calm down, guys. I did fish that. Oh, shit, I think don't you know.
What me fi do now? Onion and pepper?
No, no,
I
no.
don't want to try.
Alright, me told her, me still give you 4. Yeah?
Those are the ATVs going to Ghana. This one is Jam West Restaurant. Right here at Junction Point. Types of animals. Oh no, look at this. Look at the shrubbery, look at the greenery. Nature, we in the country. Salmon Point, we heading to Salmon Point from Jackson Hill over here by the Jam West Restaurant. Look back at the galloping.
No, I'm trying to keep my one drive it now.
So guys, just take in the scene. I'm gonna shut up now and just allow you guys to take in the scene. We head into Salmon Point. So we have somebody that is leading the way.
They use the truck, but a while ago, they
Yeah.
start using it, they run race.
Yes.
They get a lot. Now, man, I want to say you have to come. So
Oh.
you understand?
Okay, okay.
If you understand, say this one up on the rough road, you can't bike here, you just move through the crack. Yeah, keep going on in a
This road here leads you all the way down to the sea.
where it was.
No man, down that way. Salmon Point. Salmon Point. Alright, here we go. I'm trying to capture this. So guys, look at this. This is the I'm seeing some horses. So I'm thinking this is the safari area. Oh, this is where you get on the horse box if you want to ride out into the sea. So we are at this checkpoint here. Make sure you can. So right now I'm seeing people just heading on out to the sea area. So this is a nice place, guys, to bring the family. Lots going on here. Horseback riding, ATVs. You can grab a bite here. They have the clubhouse. This is Jam West, right here in Westmoreland. 6 miles out of Negro, to be exact. I like what I'm seeing. Wow, this is nice. But I can't believe this place here turns out to be this, because this used to be a lot of bush wilderness. So we are moving, guys. So let's continue on the journey.
Huh?
Just straight Salmon Point.
Straight Salmon Point. So what, when we coming back, can we have to come back through here?
If you want, otherwise you have to go take it.
Oh man, that one over there, you can't drive there. We tried it before. The one number 2 road. Can't.
Bad.
Bad. Like even the Lago tree then cross over like this.
Yeah, I know we have to come back here. So then,
Yeah, so how will that come through here? So again, if we come back through.
what time you come back?
We just want to see what it look like. That's it.
Let's look.
We want to see the trail. So this is where the activity stops right here. Nothing else down there.
No, then.
If nothing down there, you don't really want to go down there. Would like to see like the horses.
It's chill your house back down there. You can go around there, but I don't know if I go care upon the whole tour and then I burn up, I guess not get nothing.
Oh, you okay, just money. How much are you just money?
Alright, come on then.
How much are your gas money?
Huh?
We could clear upon the gas money. How much are your gas money, man?
Don't have a conscience, man. Anything you give me satisfied.
Alright.
We know can buy gas.
You go satisfied.
Fat satisfied.
Hey, Sticky. Are you get, man? Hold it down now, Sticky.
Sticky.
Well, you just say right still, you know, to clear up on the gas button.
We clear up on the gas money, brother.
That's what I have to clear up on everything.
We're not surprised.
No.
Why are 5 grand?
And they say, why can't they tell me before? You didn't ask.
See back. The ATVs them across over the side.
The what?
The ATVs.
Oh.
ATVs, Prince.
Yes.
So they
Oh, we are called the
ATVs.
dirt bike. Yeah.
A dirt bike, but the proper name fit is ATV.
So these are the type of things Joven them like to do. So probably they would have like this.
So you do it. Don't let you have a pan that you can show when you go up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't give me driver a break, man. Let me get that spike too. As most of them people depend on woman, you know. Most of them are woman. Watch.
Hey, Prince, I kept trying good.
Yeah.
Prince, you can come out, you know.
Yeah, come on, get up.
The bike are coming up.
Okay.
You know much bike.
So I said they end. Are they in circle bushes?
Then go straight to the bush. They go to go on tour. So now come and then go back up. So they have the first.
Yeah. So where are we?
Bad boys.
This
is right.
You see me?
love video. I love video. Number one shot, otherwise I stitch him out. Alright, a big man around happy.
Ryan, a big man, this you know. Yeah, man, peace out. Cool guys, them. Cool guys. Man, what are you doing for that talk about when you not come back to Jamaica? You go back to Jamaica, Jamaica is good. You better come get this island. And sit up to my restaurant. All the hotel. I saw, find it to you.
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
No helmet.
No,
No
stop.
helmet.
When you put that helmet, you hide your looks. I'm planning to go crash. When you put that helmet, you plan to go crash, you know. Right. Beer alright. Hey, up there, bar, man. You have to go. Are you Mr.? What? Go and go beat us out there, man.
One cool one water bottle. Okay, and juice for him and tell me what is all that. For coconut. Yeah, man. Okay, good night.
Yes, sir. Respect and manners, sir.
Thank you.
Cheers, man. Cheers.
Yeah, man. Okay, how much is all together?
I'm gonna check it now.
You know, someone, remember.
No, see a place out there, program. See a place out there, program.
Principal level manager and friend.
Principal. Just remember, you know, that man tell me why I'm a mean.
You know, mother?
What do you mean?
Come, man.
Shorty tickers. Shorty tickers. You mean? No, man.
Shorty tickers.
Carry on.
can ask back and come back up say, yeah.
Yes, yes, that's how we do.
See? Washing the water and everything.
And you pass back and you take you right down here, right out into the sea. Salmon Point. Capture me, please. What you are with ITV? ATV, horseback riding, safari. Check out the all the animals and stuff. Yeah, Thomas property. Everything is here, pretty much. Right Caribbean Sea. Big grape tree right there, sir. Wow. Are you ready, Frederick? Ready? But trust me guys, beautiful.
Worth it.
Worth it. Worth the visit. Right down here. This is where I grew up, guys. Used to, as a child. These are places that we used to roam as a child. Come on down to the beach, find some conch, chuck off in the water with our little friends. And look at it guys, now we have this big nice hotel here. Little big cabins. It's pretty much down on the Baton Road in the tourist area, close to Doctor's Cave and all those places. And over here we have the Caribbean Sea. No, I'm just finished eating over there, sir. Just finished eating. Alright. over there, guys. Look at this piece of water and rocks all here.
Nice, you know, it's a water.
Huh?
It's a water, nice.
Oh, I didn't know you can go down. Huh?
Remember I said the beach at Trump Mayor?
Is it the same little one we went over there?
Yeah,
Oh. Yes, guys. So if you're ever in Montego Bay and you want to swim,